Okay, so Call of Duty Black Ops 6 just got released and you're right now looking for the option to equip your unlocked blueprints. So first go to your multiplayer, then go up here to weapons and on loadouts. Then select your class you want to edit and click on the weapon itself. And now, as you can see on the right side, you have these different numbers. So I have one blueprint right now for my XM4, which is shown down here. Click on it and now you have selected your blueprint. You can do the same for any attachments. So click on gunsmith, click on the optic, and now you have those little numbers as well. I hope this video was helpful for you, and if you also have the problem to level too slow in BO6, please click here to get a full loadout to level faster in Black Ops 6 multiplayer.